Today we will share with you what can we do if Mercedes S400 W222 inverter is broken. Left-hand drive and right-hand drive are different inverters, so pay attention. So what happened to this inverter? An accident caused damage to this board, which brings us to two problems. The first is that you cannot pair to another unit because it has immobilizer, and if you can change a used one, you still cannot pair it. So you have only two options. One is change to a new one, or one is change to a virgin unit. Then in order to pair the immobilizer, what can we do? We can read the CPU and then make a clone. We only have this way to handle it now. This is the inside of the inverter, and this part often has problems. For example, it cannot give any output, or the IGBT is broken,